In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add and connect payment methods to your Wix website. To begin, log into your Wix dashboard. This is where you manage the main settings for your website, including store, checkout, and payment options. Once you are inside the dashboard, look to the left-hand sidebar menu and click Settings. This section contains the core controls for how your site operates, so this is where you will go to configure payment-related features. After that, select Accept Payments. This area is where Wix shows you the payment methods that can be connected to your website. It is also where you can review the providers available for your account and region. Before you connect anything, take a moment to check the Business Location drop-down menu in the top right corner of the page. This part is very important because Wix uses your selected country to display the payment providers that are supported in your region. Open that drop-down and choose the correct country for your business. Make sure this matches your real business location, since the list of available payment methods can change depending on the country you select. If the wrong location is chosen, you may not see the payment providers you actually want to use. Once the correct business location is set, look through the standard payment options available on the page. These are the methods you can offer customers during checkout. Depending on your region, you may see different providers, so it is a good idea to review the list carefully and decide which options make the most sense for your website and your customers. When you find the payment method you want to add, click the Connect button next to it. This will begin the setup process for that provider. From there, Wix will guide you through the connection flow for that payment method. Be sure to follow the prompts carefully so the method is linked properly and ready to use on your checkout page. That is the full process. You log into your Wix dashboard, go to Settings, open Accept Payments, confirm your business location, review the available payment options, and click Connect next to the one you want to use. Once that is done, you are one step closer to accepting payments smoothly on your Wix website. That covers everything you need to know.